to another video. And today, I got dogs. Black lab deals. One's crowding on me right now. So over here is Mister. Wait, okay, over here is Mister. Yes, the first time we saw him, it looked like he had a mustache and a beard, and he has white shoes. And we're figuring out a name for her. So, well, today we're making a puppy show. And, oh yeah, I forgot, I'm being joined by Bryce.
Nice. Are you mad? Or no?
Okay, that was just awkward. So, they're fighting. Well, let's take a look around. I'll show you my new stuff. So, let's show you what's up and what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Ooh.
It's a double for all.
Wait. Ignore this. Okay, just ignore that part. Well, okay. So, they're still fighting. So let me show you what's for the puppies. So over here we got their bed and their water. They don't even sleep with it. Like on their bed. And then over here is our room. And we got little blankets for them. Hey, buddy.
Nice rollover.
Roll over. So they just learned the trick right now, which was roll over.
They didn't learn it, they just did it.
Yeah, so they learn they learn like there's like this thing where you say go in shade, and they just go into the shade.
Well, there is no shade right now, basically. Go in the shade, shade. Shade. Atta girl.
See? So, and they learn come. Mr. learned come.
Yeah.
And they learn how to go up and downstairs. Well, except for her, she did not learn how to go down.
No, she knows how to do it down.